Hello artists! Welcome back to art class with me, Mrs. Kane, and my wonderful assistant, Michelangelo the monkey. Today you're invited to work more on your garden pictures inspired by contemporary artist A. Ramachandran, who lives and works in New Delhi, India. Who might you give your garden drawing to as a present? Last week, we learned about the element of art, space. Space in art means the area around or between objects or things. Artists work with space when they create sculptures or buildings. They can also create space on a flat piece of paper by overlapping objects or making objects smaller as they are meant to be farther away. It can create an illusion or feeling of space or depth. It's pretty amazing. We are creating the illusion of space in our garden pictures by drawing overlapping plants and by drawing some flowers or other objects smaller to make them look farther away. Oh yes, Mikey. That is important to mention now. We will work again on these pictures next week, so please take your time and enjoy drawing. Today you will get a fresh piece of paper and you will draw big flowers on this paper and color them with oil pastels. If you finish your flowers early, you can work on your background. Next week, we will cut out and glue our flowers onto our background. I invite you to make as many flowers as you are years old or more. You are invited to draw flowers from your imagination or inspired by A. Ramachandran's paintings or from flowers you've seen blooming in the last couple of weeks in Vermont. Or you're invited to follow along with me as I show you how to draw two different kinds of flowers we see here in Vermont, tulips and crocus. If you'd like to draw along, please get out your oil pastels and a big piece of drawing paper. When you're ready, press play. Begin by finding the same warm color of oil pastel that you used to draw your leaves and stems last week. I chose warm brown. Draw a bumpy oval and then start on one edge and draw a little curved line and do the same on the other side. Then draw two little bumps. Now you have a tulip. I'll show you again. Draw a bumpy oval and two curvy lines on each side and two little bumps. Making each one different will make them look more real. Each flower is different, and each drawn flower is different. When you're ready, press play, and I'll show you how to draw a crocus. Draw two curved lines with points on each end, out and back. Draw three of these little petals and then draw two little pointed petals peeking out behind. I'll show you again. Draw three pointed petals that meet together at the bottom and then two pointed petals poking out. You'll notice that each one of my crocus looks a little different. Oil pastels are so fun to mix. When you are ready, you can begin coloring your flowers with different colors of oil pastel.